I was carrying this in my breast pocket yesterday in my shirt, and at some point I noticed that something was kind of tickling me, and somehow was open in my shirt, like this. So that seemed like a minor safety issue, but an issue nonetheless. There is no real way of, there's no lock on this, and it has a pretty proud button. So I can imagine pretty much any pocket that I'm going to put it in, it's going to have the possibility of kicking off like that. And yeah, more of a problem if you don't notice that it did it. So, in this exceptional instance, I believe that I shall have this knife in a knife purse. So I'm going to try and make something with a piece of this balsa wood to, kind of guard the button a bit. And a piece of this orange leather, since the magic knife kit came from Captain Electro, and I gather he likes orange. Now here's an example of where a more rounded tip on your buck 112 can be a good and useful thing. Cutting leather. This is an example of a knife that some men, girly men, would carry in a knife purse. But I would not do such a thing. Dogs. There's a little hole here. It's all part of the plan.